Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 27th June 2024. In this video, let us generate demand and supply zone reports with the help of NeoStock software. Before the generation of these reports, an announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, you should understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel, from the home page, click on this community tab. You get access to this post. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on this link. I'm clicking on the link. Now we are into the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. Here you have all the training lessons are available. We just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important updates, we will provide at our Telegram channel. Now let's get into the report generation. In this video, we are going to generate different reports for finding the stocks near demand and supply zones, also finding daily and 75 minutes high liquidity zones, and then we will generate NIFTY and BANKNIFTY supply demand zone chain, and then we will generate Bullish and Bearish trade setups for monthly income trade, weekly income trade, and daily income trade. And finally, at the end of the video, we will generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. So first, let us start with finding the stocks near half-yearly demand zone. So entry time frame is a half-yearly. Let us find the stocks near half-yearly demand zone. One stock is filtered near to the half-yearly demand zone. I'll be giving you only few seconds time to watch the report and then move on to the next report. You just need to pause the video and then you have to study all these parameters for your analysis purpose. In case if you are not aware of how to understand this report, I request you complete our training video lesson number 21.1. That is a part 1 of lesson 21. I have explained this complete report, all the columns, their values, abbreviations, everything in detail. Also explained how I drawn the zone in TradingView by taking the leg in time stamp and leg out stamp and also the number of base candles from this report. Okay, now let's get into the next report. I'm going back. For half yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. One stock is filtered near to the half-yearly supply zone. Next report, changing the time frame to quarterly. Let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. So at present, one stock is near to the quarterly demand zone, but it is a Pierce demand zone. So I'm going back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. 6 stocks are filtered near to the quarterly supply zone. Going back, changing the time frame to monthly, let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. 5 stocks are filtered. Going back, for monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. 8 stocks are filtered. I'm going back, changing the time frame to weekly. Let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. 4 stocks are filtered. Going back, for weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. 3 stocks are filtered. The next time frame, changing the time frame to daily. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. 4 stocks are filtered near to the daily demand zone. Any high liquidity? So we don't have any high liquidity daily demand zones from this list. So I'm going back. For daily time frame, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. One stock is filtered, but this is not a high liquidity zone. So from daily time frame, we don't have any high liquidity zones. So I'm going back and changing the time frame to 125 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. 6 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. 11 stocks are filtered. Next time frame is 75 minutes. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. 8 stocks are filtered. Let us check high liquidity demand zones from 75 minutes time frame. Now we don't have any high liquidity demand zones from 75 minutes time frame. So I'm going back. For 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. 13 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity supply zones from this list. Hindustan Copper having a high liquidity supply zone. And then Tata Chemicals is a high liquidity supply zone. And finally Tata Steel is also a 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone. So total we identified 3 high liquidity supply zones from the 75 minutes time frame. So total we identified 3 high liquidity zones, and all the 3 are from 75 minutes supply zone. Okay, now let's go back. Changing the time frame to 25 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. 6 stocks are filtered. Going back, for 25 minutes time frame, let's find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. 9 stocks are filtered. I am going back, changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. 9 stocks are filtered. I am going back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. 6 stocks are filtered. And 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. 9 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. So this is the list. So total 17 stocks are filtered. Okay, now let us generate a NIFTY and Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain. The first one is Nifty 50, and we will start with the weekly time frame for Nifty. I am generating the supply demand zone chain. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Nifty 50. So total 14 stocks are filtered. So I am going back, changing the time frame to daily. I am generating a daily supply demand zone chain. 32, I'm sorry. Today, a supply zone is created, a new, sorry, not a supply zone, demand zone. A new demand zone is created today on daily time frame. And zone column tells you the type of the zone, high liquidity zone or normal or P or zones. So it is a demand zone, normal demand zone only at present. Okay. Next time frame, I am changing the time frame to 125 minutes. I am generating 125 minutes supply demand zone chain. Next time frame, changing to 75 minutes time frame, generating 75 minutes chain. And a 75 minutes zone is created today. This is a normal demand zone only. But there is a rejection from this zone. Okay, I am changing the time frame to 25 minutes. Let me generate the chain for 25 minutes time frame. So this is the 25 minute supply demand zone chain, and a new 25 minute zone is created, and it is a normal demand zone. So I am going back, changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Let me generate the 15 minute supply demand zone chain. And 15 minutes also we have a zone created. It's a normal demand zone, and also pierced zone. This one is pierced demand zone, already pierced. Maybe there is a lower time frame zone providing support to this zone that we will identify in 5 minutes time frame. So I am going back, changing the time frame to 5 minutes. I am generating 5 minute supply demand zone chain for Nifty. So at present Nifty is having a supply zone. It's a normal supply zone only. And a few zones are created today. 1, 2, 3 demand zones are created. In that, one is a high liquidity demand zone. This is a high liquidity demand zone, 5 minutes time frame. So this is about Nifty supply demand zone chain. Now we will generate for Bank Nifty. That is nothing but Nifty Bank. So let me start generating the chain from monthly time frame. I am generating monthly supply demand zone chain for Bank Nifty. And the next time frame is weekly. This is the weekly supply demand zone chain for Bank Nifty. And the next time frame is daily. This is the daily supply demand zone chain for Bank Nifty. And the next time frame is 125 minutes. So 125 minutes supply demand zone chain for Bank Nifty. And the next time frame is 75 minutes. So 75 minutes supply demand zone chain for Bank Nifty. And today at 9:15 candle with the leg out, a new 75 minute zone is created. And the next time frame is 25 minutes. The 25 minute supply demand zone chain. And changing the time frame to 15 minutes. So this is the 15 minute supply demand zone chain for Bank Nifty. Today a supply zone, high liquidity supply zone is created. Going back and changing the time frame to the last time frame 5 minutes, generating 5 minute supply demand zone chain for Bank Nifty. and 3 zones are created today. Out of these 3, we have a high liquidity zone. This is high liquidity supply zone for Bank Nifty, created today. So this is about Nifty and Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain. Next report we will generate bullish and bearish trade setups for different time frames. Different income trades. The first one is a bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. So monthly income trade entry time frame is daily, and bullish trade setup entry zone is demand zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup in daily time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. Also I will set 3 filters. We don't want pierced zones, so pierced count should be 0 on daily time frame. Minimum value 0, maximum value 0, which indicates pierced count is 0. That means zone is not pierced. And the second filter, zone achievement. The zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. And the third filter is odd enhancer score. Minimum odd enhancer score should be 12 for bullish or bearish trade setup. So with these values, let me generate the report. So 12 stocks are currently supporting bullish trade setup. Now let me generate bearish trade setup. I am going back. Entry time frame daily for bearish trade setup for monthly income trade, but entry zone is supply zone for bearish trade setup, and also in bullish or bearish trade setup daily time frame I am changing the value to bearish, and all the 3 filters remain same, generating, and 2 stocks are filtered which are supporting bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. Okay, now we will generate weekly income trade reports. First, bullish trade setup. Weekly income trade entry time frame is 75 minutes, and entry zone is a demand zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup in 75 minutes, we need to select the value bullish, and the filters we need to set. First one is a pierced count for 75 minutes should be 0. So in 75 minutes time frame, minimum value I am setting 0, maximum value I am setting 0. Zone achievement should be violated opposing zone. Minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. With these filters, we have generated the report, and 9 stocks are filtered. These 9 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. That is entry time frame 75 minutes. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. Entry time frame 75, but entry zone should be supply zone for bearish trade setup. In bullish or bearish trade setup at 75 minutes, I am changing the value to bearish, and the 3 filters are remain same. Now only 1 stock is currently supporting bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. Now price is moving towards the high liquidity supply zone. Okay, now I am going back. Next report we will generate. Next report is a bullish trade setup for daily income trade. In daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes. Entry zone is demand zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting bullish, and the 3 filters. The first filter, pierced count for 15 minutes time frame, should be set to zeros. So in 15 minutes time frame, minimum value 0, maximum value 0. Zone achievement should be violated opposing zone. Minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let us generate the report. 14 stocks are filtered. These 14 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for daily income trade. Now let us generate a bearish trade setup for daily income trade. I am going back. Entry time frame is 15 minutes. Per bearish trade setup, entry zone is supply zone, and in bullish or bearish trade setup, 15 minutes time frame, I am changing the value to bearish. With the 3 filters, we are generating the report, and 3 stocks are currently supporting bearish trade setup for daily income trade. So this is about a bullish and bearish trade setup for monthly, weekly and daily income trade. And in the final report, let us generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. First 17 in this list are indices, remaining all are equity stocks taken from F&O category. I keep on scrolling the list. Each time when I scroll down, I give you a few seconds time. Whichever the stock you want to refer, there you please pause the video. Okay, I am scrolling the list down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let's all meet again in our next video. Thank you.